Hi, and welcome to this LogAir tutorial. We will give you an overview of the devices we sent out as part of our crowdfunding campaign, plus how to charge them before using them. You will first notice that this is a transparent box, so you can see everything we put inside the device. You will also notice some holes on the sides. It is important that you don't block these holes in whatever setting you are using your LogAir device. This is necessary because we need to ensure that air flows through the box in order for the particulate matter sensor to work properly. The particulate matter sensor is this big module you see on the left. Also in the front, but on the right, you find the microcontroller plus other modules, because remember your device also measures temperature, humidity, has a GPS sensor. All these components are attached to a white LogAir board you can see from the side. And if you turn it around, on the other side of the box, you will find the battery and the rest of the modules. So next we are going to see the ports that you will be using. If you take a look on the side, you will find a charging port. It is important that you charge your LogAir device at least for 2 hours before using. You can do so using a micro USB cable as you would charge a phone or any other device. You can plug it to the charging port. Do it firmly, but be careful because the components are a bit fragile. You will see a red light that turns on, and then that will indicate that the device is properly charging. So if you go to the other side, you will find the SD card module. Because you can use LogAir using our app, this will allow you to send the data to our servers and to use the visualizations that we provide. However, you can also save the data from your device using your SD card directly to your computer. And you can do so extracting the SD card from here. And finally, on the back of the device, next to the charging module, you will find a switch. It's this very little switch. We will use it once the device is charged to turn it on and to be able to pair the device with our app. It is also important that you know where to locate the switch to turn it off when it is not in use, so you can save energy and extend the life of the battery. And that's it. Now your device is charging, and meanwhile we can move on to installing the app so you can visualize your data.